Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can install Google Chrome browser on our Fedora. Now by default, we only get Firefox installed. If you needed to use Google Chrome, you have to install it. Now I'm going to be installing this using the terminal. So I'm going to open the terminal. And then I'm going to start with the command for installing third-party repositories. And this is the command. It's a sudo dnf install Fedora -workstation -repositories, and I'm gonna put in my password. Okay, so that's completed. Next thing we'll do is to enable the Google Chrome repo, and the command is sudo dnf config manager set enabled Google Chrome, and then finally we'll install Chrome with the command sudo dnf install Google Chrome -stable. And then type Y, press enter. Yeah, press Y here, press enter. Y again. So it's installing Google Chrome stable. And it's complete. Now we'll check if we actually have it. So search for it here. And there you go, we have Google Chrome. You can open it. If you wanted to make it as your default, you can make it as your default. And close this out. And there you have it. You can, if you have an account, you can log in and check your email and stuff like that. Okay, that's all for this video. That's how you can install Google Chrome on your Fedora Linux machine. I hope this has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.